Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Enjoy watching, guys.
Through the smoke and fire's glow, Blaze fought hard, he won't let go. Engines roar and hearts of steel, heroes rise when cities kneel. Dr. Circuit, steady hands, fixing life with sparks and plans. Coolant flows, the lights ignite. Blaze is shining through the night. Hey. Blaze is shining through the night. Hey. Blaze is shining through the night. Now the city breathes again. Brave machines, their hearts remain, rolling out to save the flame. Blaze rolls again.
This is where the city's mechanical heroes come to rest and heal. Engine 51. Blaze arrived after pushing its limits too far. Dr. Circuit, the head diagnostician, immediately assessed the patient. Initial scans showed dangerously elevated core temperatures. Blaze was struggling. The effort of the last rescue had taken its toll. The doctor projected the schematics, searching for the source of the overheating. Nurse Ratchet arrived, ready with every necessary tool and supply. Blaze was secured in the main bay for a thorough examination. The exterior showed clear signs of severe thermal strain.
Scan complete. Your thermal regulators are perfectly calibrated.
Awesome. I feel supercharged already.
Precision was key. The internal systems were complex and fragile. Blaze remembered the heat, fighting the largest blaze of the season. He pushed too hard, ignoring the warning signs to save the day. The source of the overheating was found. Debris lodged deep in the heat exchanger. The blockage required a specialized micro-extractor. Nurse Ratchet retrieved it instantly. We have found the source of the overheating. A blockage in the heat exchanger. Precision was paramount. The smallest tool for the smallest job.
Easy now, Blaze. This will only tear a moment. We'll have you patched up soon.
Only the finest surgical precision could navigate the core. Precision was paramount. The slightest tremor could rupture the critical cooling line. Supplies were checked twice. Nurse Ratchet knew the next step must be flawless. The pressure was spiking. One wrong move could destroy the whole cooling system. The obstruction, a piece of scorched metal, was finally extracted from the cooling line. The blockage was cleared. Coolant flow was restored, and the system pressure stabilized. The blockage was gone. New vital coolant surged through the pipes, bringing immediate relief. The critical blockage was cleared. Coolant rushed in, and the fever finally broke. The final deep system integrity scan began. They needed absolute confirmation of flow restoration. The final diagnostic confirmed it. Blaze's cooling system is completely restored and stable. The immediate danger passed. Nurse Ratchet, ever pragmatic, began clearing the bay for the next emergency. A deep, clean rumble echoed through the bay, confirming the hero was fully recovered. His vibrant red chassis glowed, signaling his full return to duty. All systems green! You are operational. Blaze, go protect the city. Blaze offered a final, respectful salute to the doctor who saved his corps. His systems were cool. His spirit was restored. Blaze was back on duty. The operation was a success! Now, the bay must be sterilized for the next emergency. The job is never truly done. Another hero needs repair, and the team is ready.
Through the smoke and fire's glow, Blaze fought hard, he won't let go. Engines roar